Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.
Open before. So I'm on this project trying to create a home office. Don't look at everything right now, it's a mess. So this is the space I have. This is the current status of my of my study stroke home office space. So nothing very fancy, just hanging my lab coat over there, a tiny workspace. Sometimes my daughter joins me and of course hydration, very important. So I hope we walk through this journey. I want to do something with the walls. I don't know if you can see, but they are I don't know if you can see, but the walls are blue. Try to reduce the brightness so that you can see. The walls are blue. So I want to change from that, see what color we'll go with. Then of course the floor, something's got to be done. And the curtain situation and everything. Oh my God, it's gonna take a lot of strength and courage, but we trust in God. He's gonna walk us through this project. Can't wait to show you the inspo I had on Pinterest vis-a-vis what I actually do achieve. Love and love. As you can see, we just started on the wallpaper situation. We had somebody come in the night to do it because we really wanted this project to be over soon.
Incredible. It's better. Smart. At least hapo niona haitatosha. Kaona inaweza blend smart.
I blend.
Today is when we were receiving part of the furniture that we had purchased for the office space. I love my chair. Oh my God, I love the color. I love everything about it. It's aesthetics and also the fact that it's purely orthopedic, so my back is rested.
Yes. Yep.
Get upstairs. Get upstairs. Upstairs. Hey.
Yes. What iko pressure?
I already did my first hosting yesterday and this thing is dirty, so let me clean it up and then I come back. I show you today's haul. So basically what I got today was dental floss. This is zimekuwa though. So I got this. These are coffee candies, but highly recommended by my husband. Says they're really nice. And more candies. This with creamy filling. I got some Mentos too. I don't know where they're at, but let me clean this mess, then I'll be right back. And there, guys, we have it. Our sweets are on the table. I can't wait to really have meaningful sit downs and do great things in this great space. I feel so good. Let me just go back to work, because now that I have an office, I actually have to work. Let me get some glucose. The wrong kind of glucose to wish for as a person who is in the medical field, but one won't hurt. But do not use candy as a substitute for food.